It's crucial to maintain the right attitude and realistic expectations as you transition through the divorce process. Cordell Cordell, Georgia family law attorney Megan Trefry says that means understanding that a worst-case scenario could be possible.
It's really important for people to prepare for the worst when entering a divorce, because divorces are oftentimes extremely driven by emotion. Because there are always two parties involved in a divorce action, the emotions are not always emotions that you can control. If your wife gets hurt by something that happens during your case and decides that she's no longer going to settle, we don't have control over her emotions to try and bring her back down to earth. So that's why I tell all of my clients at the beginning of the case that while settling is going to be our goal, we must always prepare for the worst as though we're going to go to trial.
Ms. Trefry cautions that in any divorce, each party is going to do whatever is in their best interests. Reading too much into those actions is a common mistake that many guys make.
I have a lot of clients who get upset when they're served with their wife's answer or when they're served with a complaint for divorce. And what is important to remember is that both of you are trying to protect yourself as best you possibly can. If she files something that you don't expect her to, or if what she files says something different than what she told you she would settle for, that's because her and her attorney are trying to protect her best interests. And when something's filed with the court, oftentimes it's not indicative of that person's bottom line, but it represents the most relief that that person thinks they're entitled to under the law.
That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of DadsDivorce.com. Thank you for watching.